Rover Evoque. This is a coupe. The seat tilt did not work. I don't know this car is how old. It's probably like 5-10 years old. This lever did not move, was stuck. So everybody was able to move from the other side, not from this side. And the problem was, I removed the seat, and there are two both dense lines running down to this mechanism where this was all dried out. The grease got too old, and as you pull the lever up there, that thing moves, and it was stuck right down there. I started lubing, but this lube is kind of too thin. It's going to get out of there again. It's going to dry out again soon. And so anyways, there's a little thingy there that moves up and down as you pull the lever, and this was stuck on this side. The other side was good because there's like both of them on the two sides. The other side was good, but it kind of was getting stuck a little bit, but not that bad as this one. So now I lubed it up, it's all working, and I'm gonna lube that side up, but probably I'm gonna do the passenger side too, because it's gonna happen there too. It's probably possible to fix it without even removing the seat, but it's really hard to get these off. There are one piece of screw from inside on this side, and there are two screws on that side of the seat. That's it. All done. Let's put it together.